Hi everyone, it's Kunihiro again. Thank you for coming back to my kitchen. Today I want to show you guys how to make baked green mussels. It's a very popular appetizer at the Japanese restaurants and it's very easy to make at home. So let's begin. So today I'm using frozen green mussels from New Zealand. You can buy them at any Asian market. Please make sure to defrost them before cooking. So first thing you have to do is to detach meat from shell. So this is where the meat is connected to the shell. Put your dinner knife underneath the meat and cut the connection part. And the meat was nicely detached from the shell. And put it back on and keep it aside. I'm showing you one more time. So cut this connection part. It's more like scraping the meat off the shell. And get rid of excess water before you place them on a baking pan. Once you are done, put them aside and let's make creamy mayonnaise next. You need 300 milliliters of mayonnaise. Today I'm using Japanese Kewpie mayonnaise. They were sold in this package, but if you can find this, you can use any mayonnaise. Next you need regular soy sauce. Please add 2 tablespoons. And next I'm adding sake. Please add 2 teaspoons. And 6 tablespoons for myself. And let's mix. Once you are done mixing, your mayonnaise should be as smooth as this. And cover all the green mussels with creamy mayonnaise. I'm using 1 tablespoon for each piece. And please bake them for about 15 minutes at 400 degrees. And while you're waiting, let's prepare all the toppings. After 10 minutes, please keep your eyes on green mussels. Make sure to cook them until golden brown. Looks perfect. Put some smoked eggs. And green onions. And put some lemon wedges at the end. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you try my recipe at home. And if you like today's video, please leave a comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye. 乾杯